Children, in the last class we learned about the earliest people domestication. Okay, now which class? Sixth class. What you are learning? Lesson 6, from gathering food to growing food, part 8. Okay, last class I said about the domestication of the earliest people, how they reared the animals and how they grow the crops, how they do the agriculture farms. Okay, now after doing farming and domesticating animals, they have to settle their life. At one place they have to construct houses and they have to settle the life in one place. So how is the settled life of the earliest people? Let us see. When people began growing plants, they had to stay in same place for long time. That means so many years they have to stay in that place. To look after the plants, to look after the animals, to water that plants, to protect that farm, to grow that crops, they have to stay in that place for so many years. So because of that, the earliest people settled their life. Where they are growing the crops, they settle their life there only. At the harvest time also, they got so much grain. At the harvest time of the crops, they got so much grain that they could not eat at a time. They can eat all crops at a time? No, they can't eat all the grains or vegetables or fruits, whatever they grow the crops. They can't eat at a time. So they have to store that all the food which they got. It had to be stored for 6 months or 1 year. So what they did, they have to build the houses to stay there, to stay in that places, and to store that grains also, they have to stay in the same place where they are growing crops. When staying is inevitable, that means compulsory. Inevitable means compulsory. They have to stay there compulsory to grow the crops. So they have started construct the huts. They built huts with stone, wood, grass, dry grass, and with mud also. Mud. Okay, they constructed huts with mud, stone, and dry grass. If you see in the village areas, you can find out the mud houses and thatched roofs, with dry grass huts. You can find out in village areas. Okay, and to store these grains and whichever they grow the pulses, grains, to store that grains, they want what they want. They want vessels. So vessels were need to cook. For cooking also, we want vessels to cook food items. So it led to making of pots. After that, staying at a place, constructing houses, what they did, they made the pots. They made different types of pots, and after that they painted the pots to look better. They painted the pots with different colors. Okay, vessels are needed to cook food items, but for cooking, what we required? We required stoves, fire. We need fire to cook the food items. And for grinding the pulses or grains, stones are needed. Stones also required for grinding. So these people, the earliest people, make some pots and they decorated that pots with colors, and after that they made stoves also, and some stones they prepared some stones to grind the food items. When archaeologists dug up the places, they found remains of huts, pots, stoves, grinding stones, etc. Who is archaeologist, you know? Archaeologist is a person he dig the soil to find out the remains of the objects or animals or human beings or buildings, etc. He dig up the soil and find out the history of that things. When archaeologist dug up the soil, he found some places remains of huts, pots, stoves, grinding stones, etc. These archaeologists found some things in some places, and they found some roasted grains also. In some areas they found some roasted grains. Okay, what you learnt in this class? Settled life of the earliest people. How they settled? When they began growing crops, they have to settle in one place, so they constructed huts. At the beginning, the earliest people constructed huts. So with which material they constructed? Mud, they used mud, dry grass and stones also they used to construct. And they have to store that food items, grains, for 6 months or for 1 year, because they got so much grains, they can't eat at a time, so they have to store. So for that they used some vessels. So they make some vessels, and they made some pots, and they decorated the pots with colors to look better. After that, for cooking we required gas, stove, fire, and in that way they also made that stoves or fire, and stones also to grind the food items. So when archaeologists dug up the soil, they found some remains of huts, pots, vessels, and stoves, grinding stones, etc. And some of roasted grains also they found in some areas. Okay children, this is the settled life of the earliest people. Next class we will learn more about this lesson.